Let's go take on Hong Kong. 3, 2, 1, go!
Hurry up! Take a picture of that big world!
We said it's not about what you rocket, it's about how you rock it, right?
You said.
We got this. Is that better for you? Say Hong Kong Disney, here we come. So the baby's a pumpkin seed. What's the rest of that going on there?
Maybe there's two. Can't be.
Two pumpkin seeds? There can be. What do you mean there can't be? Alright, so we just landed in Hong Kong and it is hot.
You know, how hot is it?
Really hot!
And we are on our way to our house. Today we're just going to relax and settle in the house, and tomorrow we're going to start fresh and hit Disney early in the morning. We bought a 2-day pass, so
We can do 2 days in a row, or take it easy, do one day, then another day.
I think we should do one day and then go explore Hong Kong and then go another day.
What I was thinking.
But we'll look at the weather and make sure that that's a smart idea.
There's scattered thunderstorms all week.
Okay, well, let's just do it that way. Give ourselves a little break because we're gonna be packed like sardines in there. It's a Chinese holiday, so it's not really the best time to go, but we want to go. Oh, look at those! I want to go on those. Can we go up there? On those things? No, those things that take you into the mountains. What do you call those?
Cable cars?
Cable cars. There you go.
There's a giant Buddha around here.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
This is our Uber driver. What's your name?
What?
What's your name?
Okay.
Pake.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Pake. Thank you for driving us. What's wrong, baby? So, if you fly into Hong Kong, right, and you're trying to get from the airport to Lancha, you don't want to request an Uber because they might tell you they can't take you there and then drop you off at the train station, which is the furthest I guess they can go, and then from there you have to get a blue taxi. So just get a blue taxi from the airport if you're trying to get from Hong Kong airport to Lancha. Just grab a blue taxi at the airport because we've been in this line, this taxi stand line, for a really long time, like over an hour I'd say, and it's hot. Bella's not having it.
Hong Kong!
This is the inside of a Hong Kong taxi. That's our driver. Hi. Nina, how you doing back there?
Bad.
Bad? You hot? Yeah, it was really hot outside. Mama, how you doing?
People try to cut us in line.
Alright, so we found our house. Lucky number 15. But we're locked out. Right, Nina?
Yeah.
Oh,
Nothing works.
we just had to walk up a billion stairs. And we don't seem to have... I wonder if those are our stairs up there. Do we have roof access?
Yeah, it goes all the way up.
No way.
Yeah, and you can see the ocean supposedly.
Ooh la la. And it's multi-level. Oh, this is gonna be fancy. I'm so excited. Whoop whoop. Okay, now we gotta try and break into this bad boy. Hopefully they don't have a security system.
No.
1 foot, and then jump 2 feet. Then jump 1 back, and then 2 feet, and then 1 back. There you go, now jump back. 1, jump back. There you go, now jump towards me. Don't touch the lines. There you go. Now jump in this square with 2 feet. Good job. Now jump in these 2, but don't touch the lines. Go. Whoa, close. Now jump in this one, 2 feet. Go. Good job. High five. Now turn around and do it again. This way. Go. This way.
Welcome to Hong Kong house. This is the door, and I'm going to tell you what's inside.
Okay.
This is the switch.
Okay.
That's the light.
And upstairs.
That's the light. That's the family room.
Yeah.
That's the dining area. Now follow Mama.
Okay. Be careful, okay, Mom? Dada, follow me.
Ooh, this is fancy. Look at that big ball.
My room is next to your room.
That's your room? Ooh, and this is our room.
Yeah.
Nina, what's up these stairs? Let's go up those. Go, go, go. Go. Be very careful. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Look at that view.
Whoa.
Come on, get your butt out there.
That view.
Look at how pretty that is. I can see the whole ocean.
Come up here.
Let's go. Wow.
This could be like our own camp.
This will be our campground? Perfect.
Yeah.
I love it so much. Look at the ocean right there.
Where?
Here, I'll hold you up so you can see it.
Whoa, we can't see.
The whole ocean.
Yeah, we can't see the whole ocean in all the world. Dad, those worlds are huge.
Those worlds are huge. Those are called islands. Moana lives on an island, right?
Uh-huh.
Woo!
Whoa, Dada,
You're gonna show me around up here?
Dada,
Yeah.
we can put all of my camp toys in here and change color and empty it with rooms.
But we don't have many camp toys, I don't think. I didn't pack anything like that. But look at all these rocks.
Ooh.
Whoa.
These.
Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. That's the end of our house tour.
Dada, wait. We can pick up because we need rocks to make an oval around the fire.
Okay.
Then we put sticks around.
Inside?
Yeah, inside the rock.
Okay, I'm gonna carry you down these stairs because they're not so safe, alright?
Good job. Oh my gosh. Good job. Come on, Nina.
So stinking cute. What?
Keep it.
You wanna keep it? You think it'll fit in our apartment? Where are we gonna put it? In your room?
No, and maybe outside.
Where outside?
Outside inside the washing room.
What about your room? You can sleep in your bed. Yeah. Cute little baby. Look at him go. He's so thirsty. Holy smokes.
Yeah, that's water.
We were upstairs and she was like, Dada, look at all those worlds. I was like, those are called islands, honey.
Yeah, she told me in the airplane. She was like, Mom, look at all those worlds. Which one are we going to? I went to the Hong Kong one.
That's funny. I love you guys. Let's walk. Bye-bye, Mr. Cow. So
We can get her food and our
we
food.
just walked the complete wrong way to where we needed to be. We walked like a mile the wrong way on the beach, so we had to turn around, and we couldn't take a bus because we didn't have any change. We made it, Dina!
Yeah.
We settled for Long Island.
They have pizza, they have...
There's cows on the beach right there. Oh, they ran away. They're over there.
You can go on there, okay? How about you make me...
Okay.
I am gonna get fish and chips. And Nina is gonna get pizza.
Pizza. Dina, how's your fries?
I got peas if you want some.
Whoa.
Yeah, I'll ask for a spoon.
Feel so healthy. Finally.
You do your pinky. Then other finger. This one. There you go. And this one. And this one. They're all together, okay? They're all together. And then you go like this. Only one at a time. And another one. And the other one. And the other one. And the other one. And it opens and then
We got some fruit. Can you grab the apples for me? Put them in there. Good job. Oh, okay, good. You don't want to smash the bananas, because then they might get a little brown. 19. Alright. I think I have it in change. 10. 谢谢. And this is the entrance to our apartment. More like a house, actually. Gotta walk up 50,000 stairs. Ugh. 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 For the amount of money we're paying to stay in this place, there should be an escalator. Ugh. Holy smokes. I like it better at night, huh, babe? What do you got, baby? A froggy? Oh my god. I don't think you should, because you might get warts. Oh my god. That's his brother. I'm kidding, she was excited. Oh my gosh, this place is so... Let's go, guys, there's mosquitoes. Come on. Whoa, what's that thing? Holy smokes, Mama, look with your light. Get closer, it's a big lizard. Whoa. Look at it, you see it?